Yo, what's going on YouTube? This your boy T3J and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I got another episode for you guys. It's another episode of What That Tastes Like. Episode number 9. Let's see here, number 9. Yeah, I had to check my fingers out here. Make sure it ain't dirty. Been doing a little work around the house. But yeah, let's get into it. Alright, so we have snacks that we're going to try out, which I feel like all my What That Tastes Like videos are pretty much just sweets. Even if it is cereal got sugar, except for those figs. Those figs, yeah, they are considered snacks, but I feel like they're on the healthy side. But these here are on the healthy side. I got these from the organic section at Kroger's, I believe. I'm not sure if you can find these guys anywhere else, but like I said, I got these from Kroger's. Each box was about, I want to say $4 a piece, maybe $5. I have to check the receipt, but I'm pretty sure it's about $4 or $5 a piece. Well, you know, I know y'all probably thinking that's a lot of money, but you gotta pay to play. If you want to eat healthy, you gotta, you know, there's healthy snacks out there. That's, I don't know how, what I'm trying to say. If you comparing Oreos with, you know what I'm saying, with this, or Chips Ahoy with this, I'm pretty sure this will be much healthier than the Chips Ahoy. Anyway, like I'm saying, if you want to eat healthy, you gotta pay to play. You gotta dig deep, pretty deep, not that deep, but depending on how much of the healthy stuff that you buy, you have to dig pretty deep in your pockets. But anyway, let me stop blabbing. Let's get on to the food. So as you see, this box is already open. The wifey, she opened it. She wanted to try it out. Shout outs to the wifey. You know, she gave me her opinion on this, and she liked them. So I'm gonna try and see if I like it. See if our opinions match. Let me know in the comment section if you guys have already been, you know, nibbling on these things already. You already purchased them, and you purchased them at a different location besides Kroger's. Let me know in the comment section. But here we go. We got Back to Nature. It's plant-based snacks, by the way, too. Just like those figs. I forget what number episode it is, but those figs are plant-based as well. So, yeah. Give y'all a quick glance at the nutrition facts, so you guys can see it for yourself. Sorry if it's blurry. I'm actually using my iPhone camera this time. Actually using the iPhone camera. So let me know in the comment section, guys, if it's too blurry for you guys to be able to read the text, or, you know, how's the picture quality? Do I look good or look blurry? Let me know. But yeah, I think I'm gonna try to start using the iPhone camera to do my YouTube recording. I don't know, I'm still gonna use my Canon, you know, which is right here. Still gonna use it, just that the battery dies too fast, and I don't have a big memory card for it, so it's more convenient for me to use my iPhone. Let me show y'all the other ones real quick. But yeah, it's more convenient for me to use my iPhone, especially supposed to be getting an iMac soon, and it'll just be a lot easier to transfer files between the two, because I'm gonna be trying to get my hands, you know, deeper into this YouTube stuff with editing my videos, and, you know what I'm saying, trying to get my own T3J clothing line going. Be expecting that soon, guys. Yeah, I'm just trying to do a lot of things, and I know it's been going on for almost 5 minutes, and like y'all probably like, oh, he's been talking. I don't know, I feel comfortable, I guess, when I'm on camera because I get to talk to you guys. And, yeah. Anyway, it's the other box. Now, oh, by the way, the first one was chocolate chunk. Just in case if y'all, didn't catch that. This one here is double cream cookies. They are cookies, by the way. All cookies. Let y'all see the facts there, nutrition facts. Try to make this quick. And then the last but not least, bam. This is the one I'm pretty sure I'm gonna like, cause I'm a fan of peanut butter, so especially the peanut butter cookies growing up. So I'm interested in seeing what this one tastes like. Peanut butter cream. Peanut butter cream. I wonder if I mix some jelly with this, would it taste good? I ain't gonna do that in this video. Right now, we're just gonna keep this video short and simple. And the reason why I decided to try these cookies because I'm trying to, stay away from all the sugar and so lately I just been, pushing that stuff away. All the Debbie cakes and the dairy cakes and all that stuff. Just, trying to stay away from it. Trying to live this healthy, fit life. So really the only thing I have to nibble on is these figs that I showed already, and I getting tired of eating them figs. I want to eat something different, so we're gonna try these cookies out and see what it do. But this is what the cookie look like. Sorry guys if I'm just rambling on in the video. It's late at night. I just put my daughter to bed. She's knocked out. I'm just relaxing right now, so I just thought, you know what, why not put a vid. I don't know if I'm gonna upload it, but yeah, I don't know if I'm uploading right now, but I did decide to just do a vid, do a quick vid for you guys, chit chat with you. Hopefully y'all hit me up in the comment section. I look forward to chatting with people on this YouTube thing, my subscribers. This cookie not that bad. It definitely tastes the chocolate. Definitely do. And the chocolate stands out more than anything. Yeah. I don't know if y'all hear that in the background, but it's raining. Like pouring down raining. Sound like I'm at a car wash right now. But let me try one more of these things. These things are actually good. Yeah. Uh-oh. I'll tell you what, if you are a person that like chocolate chip cookies, no matter what brand it is, I recommend you trying these because this still tastes, this doesn't even taste like a plant-based kind of cookie, even though I don't know what a plant-based cookie tastes like, even though this is my very first time eating it, and it tastes like a regular Chips Ahoy cookie, so yeah, you should try these. You'll be doing yourself a favor, actually. That's good. All right, let me drink some of my water and we're gonna move on to the next one before the power go out on me. All right, so next we got, like I said, the double cream. I grabbed this one because I've been craving some Oreos, but something about them Oreos, man. Like once I eat one Oreo, next thing, like 2 minutes later, not even 2 minutes, like a second, maybe. Okay, I give myself a little more credit than that. I said maybe a minute later, I find myself eating more than one Oreo cookie. Actually, I find myself to have already eaten 2 rows of the Oreo cookies already. I don't know if y'all hear me through this noise I'm making. Yeah, Oreos are addicting. It's like once you, let me know in the comment section if y'all know what I'm talking about. It's like once you start eating them Oreos, it's like you can't stop. You just can't. And when you do try to stop, it's hard. And the only reason why you do stop is because you done ate them all. Or you probably got like 2 left in the tray and you want to try to save those 2, but then you find out 10 minutes later, you find yourself going back to it. Oreos, man, I don't know what they put in their cookies, man, but it's addicting. This is what the double cream look like. Actually, even got their brand slapped right on this cookie. It's the cream there. Let's pop the top off so you can see what the cream look like. There you go. All right, let's see what this tastes like. Honestly, it tastes like a regular Oreo. It does taste a little cleaner though. Like usually when I eat Oreos, I feel like my blood pressure rise because it's so sweet, at least in my opinion. These here definitely taste like it's not enough sugar in it, but it gets the job done with satisfying your craving. If you craving some kind of cookies, Oreos, for instance, for example. These are good though. Hey, try these out if you love Oreos. Try these out. I know y'all think I'm playing. Maybe I'm over exaggerating, but I'm being honest. All my videos, man, I'm being straight honest with you. I'm not lying at all. None of my videos. Give y'all my honest. I mean, anybody that know me, they know that I'm be telling the truth. I have no reason to lie. So, if you love Oreos, get these boys. Get them. If you like chocolate chips, I'm telling you, they're not paying, this company ain't paying me at all. I'm doing this out of, I bought this with my own money. And just like I do all my reviews, buy with my own money. And then I just give my opinion. And you guys are more than welcome to give your opinion on this too. Just buy it, and if you already have bought it, put it in the comment section. Let me know what your thoughts on it. I say it all the time in my videos, and if I don't say it, I'm saying it now. Good. All right, I'm gonna drink some more water real quick. We're gonna move on to the big boy. I'm saying the big boy because I'm a fan of peanut butter. Gotta wash the mouth out. All right, let's do this. This last one, guys, and I'm gonna get out of here. Sometimes I'd be afraid to open up stuff because I don't want to like apply too much force, or too much force, or maybe it's too much pressure, and then when I open it up, like, and the cookies just go flying everywhere. So I don't know. I try to be as gentle as possible when opening up stuff, cereal, cookies, whatever. If it's a bag that I gotta open up, I try to be as gentle as possible, because I know if I apply too much force, yeah, the food's gonna be all over the place. This is what the cookies look, the peanut butter cream cookie look like. Pretty much just like the double cream. Only difference is it has the golden look. And the peanut butter is not as much cream on this peanut butter as it is on the double cream, but it's because that's double cream and it's just single cream, I guess. So I guess this is what single cream look like. But yeah, honestly, they ain't putting enough peanut butter on this bad boy, if you ask me. But we still gonna give it a shot. Ready? You know what? It's not bad. It's just enough peanut butter to do the job. You actually don't even need a double scoop of peanut butter cream on here. That one to do just fine. Ooh yeah. 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 These are good. These are good. Mm-hmm. 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 Money well spent. Mm-hmm. Yeah. All three of them get 4 thumbs up. They all good. No, I really ain't got no complaints. They're good. They're so good, y'all. I'll tell you this. Don't eat the whole box. That's how good they are. You will eat the whole box. Don't do it. Don't do it to yourself. You just make sure you got a limit. Let's see. How many per serving? 2 cookies. 2. Now I'm pretty sure you won't do 2 cookies and then leave it alone, but don't eat the whole box. It's like, how many cookies in here? Let's see, 2. 18 cookies in this one bag right here. Probably sure it's like that for all of them. You don't want to eat that many cookies, because 2 cookies, 170 calories, if I'm reading that correct. So imagine if you eat all 18 of these cookies. You know what I'm saying? You don't want to do all that. I wish I had some Oreos, some other stuff to compare calorie count, but anyway, guys, I'm going out of here, guys. The video almost 20 minutes. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Hope y'all liked it. I'm getting on out of here. Like I said, it's episode 9 of What That Tastes Like. I'll catch y'all episode number 10. Number 10, double digit number time. And catch me on my, I got a video coming up for the shoe portion of my YouTube channel. Not sure what shoe. Actually, no, I got a shoe coming in. And it's not going to be a Jordan this time, guys. So stay tuned for that, all right? It's your boy, TDJ. Let me know how the camera quality look, how the audio quality sound is. And yeah. It's kind of weird me looking into the camera, because I'm looking straight into the camera, but it's like I'm looking off somewhere else. It's like I need to be looking right here, because that's where the camera is really facing. But yeah, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Don't forget to follow me on Snapchat. Yeah, don't forget to follow me on, no, I'm sorry, not Snapchat. I'm sorry, Instagram. It's late, guys. I'm sorry. Yeah, follow me on Instagram. My Instagram channel is T3J with some news, just like my YouTube channel, guys. So look forward to chit-chatting with you guys on my Instagram, as well as in the comment section for this YouTube, guys. I'm gonna get on out of here. I know I said it like 3-4 times. All right, guys. Peace. Be safe. Turn off.